Welcome! Today marks day one in our Instagram series. We're going to break it down into easy bite-sized chunks because a lot of the things that I've seen for teaching different people how to use social media, they assume that you already have a profile and you actually know how to use it. But I realize there's a lot of people who don't already have profiles. They want to learn how to use the profile, but they just haven't been taught how to start from step one. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to start from step one. So step one would actually be downloading the Instagram app. I'm recording my phone right now so that whatever I'm seeing on my phone you can see on the screen, so it'll be somewhere here. I do have an Android, but it's the same process for iPhone. You'll search for Instagram, and the first thing that pop up should be Instagram. You can see what the logo looks like. You'll download the app. I already have it, so we're just going to click open. And here, you should get taken to a screen like this. You have a couple of options. You can log in using your Facebook account. So if you already have Facebook, you can use that to log in to to create an account on Instagram. I'm going to show you the way to do it if you don't already have a Facebook account that you want to connect. And so at the very bottom of the screen, click sign up. And again, because I've already signed in, it's going to tell me, you can continue as your Facebook name, but I don't want to. We're going to sign up with an email or a phone number. My suggestion for you, especially if you have a business, is to use your business email address. Let's click next. We're going to put in my name. So we will click continue without syncing contacts. And then welcome to Instagram, Mora Lady. Find people to follow and start sharing photos. So it automatically set my username. So we're going to click change username. And here's where you want to choose the username that you want your Instagram account to be found for. I'll let you know what I've done is I've called my username something easy to remember according to my business. And for this channel, Grow with Lady is my YouTube channel, so Grow with Lady will be my username. So make sure it's easy. If you can choose one thing to call yourself throughout all platforms, that'll just be perfect. But I don't know why but we're going with it. So try to choose something that you can have across all platforms. This is just going to be my Grow with Lady test. So I'm actually going to call this Growing with Lady. Because it's my tester, we may end up deleting this later, but I just want to have it something where, I don't know, something that I can remember. So click next. Find friends on Facebook. We're not going to do that. I'm going to click skip and skip. If you were doing this and you have different business friends that are on Facebook with you, definitely do that. But if you are trying to just venture out on your own, you can definitely skip it. Either way, I've built both ways and it works both ways. Next, you can add a profile photo. So let's add a photo. You can either choose one from Facebook, take a photo right now, or choose from your library. I'm going to choose from my library. I have a bunch of photos. Let's do this one. It's a random photo. This is actually a photo I took for a thumbnail of my YouTube video, but we're going to use it for Instagram right now. And you can also share this photo as your first post on Instagram. This isn't going to make the best post for what my style is, so I'm going to uncheck that and click next. So it's giving you the option that you can just tap your profile photo instead of typing in your password. I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to click skip. You can do that if you want to, but I won't. Welcome to Instagram! So give yourself a round of applause. Yay! Yay! Congratulations, you set up your Instagram account. We're going to go into what you need to do to set up your profile in this video. So make sure to click there to watch the next video. And if you have a product-based business or you are building a business where you sell products, definitely go to ladymora.com/biz where you will get the awesome free training that is great for anybody who sells products. So definitely click the link in the description box below and you won't regret it. Yay! Oh, there's a spider on the ceiling. Okay, we'll finish this video and then we'll take care of it. There's snow today, but it got warm in Alaska, and now the bugs are out. Okay. There may or may not be a spider in this crumpled up paper. And I missed. Okay. No more spider! Yay!